A new Washington state law is stirring up a legal fight. The U.S. Department of Justice is now suing the state over Senate Bill 5375 and calling it an anti-Catholic law. The law requires clergy members to report child abuse disclosed during confession. Karina Vargas with our sister station has more from both sides of the debate.
Senate Bill 5375, which is now law, is at the center of a large debate whether priests should be forced to report child abuse to police if it's disclosed in confession. The Department of Justice is challenging it.
Like doctor-patient or lawyer-client or other privileges, the state is respecting those and allowing those professionals to invoke those privileges, but it is not allowing that for the Catholic priests. And so this is clearly discriminatory against faith in our country, and that makes it unconstitutional.
But supporters of this law says this is about putting child protection first, even in religious settings.
Crimes against children, no matter if they're reported in confession or out of confession, need to be reported.
Mary Dispenza says priests have a responsibility to be mandatory reporters of abuse.
Children have no voice, they have no power, and a priest's role is to intervene for them, to be their voice, especially when they need support.
While church leaders have said they agree with the mission of keeping kids safe, they add that this law puts clergies at risk but also violates a Catholic's right to confess their sins to a priest.
They're afraid of whether something that they say may end up in the hands of law enforcement.
One representative who voted against the law says keeping kids safe starts with prevention.
We need to be working on family support and working with our parents and teaching kids about their, health and welfare and what's safe and not safe.
As for what's next, the DOJ say it's either the state agrees for them to intervene or they will oppose it and there will be a hearing on the motion. It's still unclear when that is supposed to happen. Now, we have reached out to the Yakima Diocese for their comment, but we haven't yet had a response.